Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well, and today I'm doing an unboxing of a snack subscription box. But before we get into that, if you're wondering what I have on for my eyeshadow today, I have on the Paprika eyeshadow palette, my new palette that I absolutely love. It is gorgeous. Like, look at these shades, they're so pretty. So that is what I have on as my eyeshadow. And I have some faux freckles on with the ColourPop freckle pen in soft brown. I love this, especially for the summer. So that is what I have on. All right, let's get into this snack box because I have not opened it. It's called Snack Crate, and you know, I just got it in, and we're just going to get our scissors and undo the tape. But I believe this was like, the first box was like $5, and I just wanted to try it. I believe after the first box it's like $15 a month, and they have different countries to choose different snacks from. Oh, I love it. It looks so cute. Okay, and you can choose what country you want it from. So this snack box is from Germany, so it looks really cool. Gives you like information on what we got, I guess. We'll see. I'll look at that later. And then it says Germany, and it gives you like all information on Germany inside of it. Okay, we're going to see what we got because this looks awesome. Like, it looks so awesome. Okay. This is really neat. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. Can't speak today, apparently. I'm super excited, that's why. So we got some of these. They're like, they're kind of like sour ropes, I guess. That's what they look like to me. These are like sour ropes. I think it will tell me. Soft and sweet rainbow gummies featuring the tropical fruity flavors of blackberry, strawberry, and green apple with a surprisingly sour twist. So these sound really good. Then we got a pack of chips, and this is Paprika Chips. I've never heard of these. That sounds awesome. Let me see what it says about it. Does it say on here? Okay. These crispy potato chips have the perfect balance of bell pepper spice and fresh potato goodness, making them irresistible for any snacker. So these sound really yummy as well. All right, what do we have in here? This is Knick Knacks Double Crunch Peanuts. Knick Knacks, crunchy roasted peanuts coated in a smoky barbecue flavor, a great on-the-go snack, and pairs well with a ice-cold beverage of your choice. So that's what we got. Okay, this is called Taffy. I don't know what it is. Let's see. What is this? Calling all pizza lovers, this pocket-sized pizza has a soft dough surrounding a zesty combination of fresh tomato and cheese filling. Do you put this in the microwave, or like you just eat it as is? I can't tell, but it seems like it would just be a snack, I guess. I don't know. Okay, next thing is these crispy things. Let's see what they are called. Okay. Confectionary bars made up of several layers that complement each other in amazing ways. Some crunchy, some smooth. This snack has them all. Okay, this is called Corny, yeah. So it says, the perfect bite for those who love peanuts and chocolate. This crunchy cereal bar is ideal for hungry snackers looking for big flavor. All right, let's see what we got here. This looks like little crispy things. It says tiny little bits of puffed corn with a light fruity and slightly sour flavor that literally pops in your mouth as they hit your tongue. Okay, this looks like like a cookie or a biscuit, famous for each having 52 teeth rimming the edge of each cookie. These crisp biscuits are rich, buttery, and incredibly delicious. So that's what they look like. Okay, next item is, let me see what we have here. Where are you? Okay, Knoppers. This snack features layers of crunchy wafer, smooth milk cream, and a rich hazelnut spread, all working together in perfect flavor harmony. Okay, we're gonna have so much fun with these snacks. Okay, this is what it looks like. It says, this decadent treat features moist chocolate and vanilla sponge cake, swirled together to create the perfect mix of flavors in every bite. So, that sounds really good. Okay, then we got some of these. I'm not really, let me see if I got them right. Yeah, we got like 2 of them. Oh, they're like Taffy, I think. So, little Taffy right here. It says, the top selling Taffy in Germany. These cubes of chewy delight feature the mouth-watering flavors of cherry, raspberry, lemon, orange, and cola. I believe we have cola and then we have lemon. These 2. Then we're getting down to the last little bits. These are just like, they look like hard candy. Little hard candies. They said these sweet and fruity hard candies may look innocent, but prepare your mouth for the fizzy surprise of a lifetime when you bite down. Huh. I don't know what flavors they are, but we got a few of them. So this box seems like a lot of fun. And if you want me to pick next month's, like I can pick a different country, like let me know what country you would want me to do next. How about we eat something? I don't know what I want to eat though. I think we're going to eat this. What was it called? These like food cake. I think it's, where was it? Okay. Yeah, this sponge cake swirled together to create the perfect mix of flavors in every bite. I don't know. I am dropping it everywhere. It's crumbly. We don't want to drop it. And I don't have a plate up here, so we're gonna have to eat in the box. But this looks really good. That is so good. My hands are all chocolatey now. That is really good. There's no way I could eat this all, everything that I got in this video. But we will definitely eat one item. Now, if you know of any other snack subscriptions, let me know. This is so good. Like, really good. Chocolate fingers. Alright, so that was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know of any other snack subscriptions that you like, or any like snack boxes from different countries I can buy, because this was so much fun and I'm gonna enjoy these later. Everything sounds so interesting. Let me know if you've tried any of these items or what you think was the most interesting or sounded good. I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye everyone. Mwah.